Are you looking to unlock the full potential of Housecall Pro's reporting dashboard? In this quick guide, I'll walk you through exactly how to use this powerful tool to manage your business data, gain insights, and make better decisions, all in under 5 minutes. The first thing you should know is that the reporting dashboard in Housecall Pro is a centralized hub where you can track key metrics like revenue, jobs completed, and customer data in real time. Whether you're running a small service business or managing a larger team, the reporting dashboard gives you a clear overview of your operations, helping you stay on top of everything. Let's jump straight into it. When you first access the dashboard, you'll be greeted with a clean, easy-to-navigate layout. At the top, you'll see the date range selector, which is crucial for pulling reports for specific periods. You can filter this by day, week, month, or even create a custom range, giving you the flexibility to look at your data however you need. On the left, you'll notice different report categories, such as revenue, jobs, and payments. These categories are your gateway to deeper insights. For example, under the revenue section, you can see exactly how much you've earned during a specific period and break it down by technician, job type, or even by specific customer. This makes it easy to identify trends and understand where your money is coming from. The jobs section is equally valuable. Here, you can track the number of jobs completed, open jobs, and any that are overdue. This helps you keep an eye on productivity and ensures that no job is left unaccounted for. You can also see the total value of these jobs, making it a quick way to assess how well your business is doing. One of the most powerful features of the reporting dashboard is the ability to drill down into specific job details. If you're curious about the performance of a particular technician or job type, you can click on any item within the report to get more granular data. For example, clicking on a technician's name will show you their total sales, number of completed jobs, and other key performance indicators. This is perfect for tracking individual performance and optimizing your team. Another cool feature is the payment report, where you can track payments received, outstanding invoices, and even see which payment method was used. This section can save you time when managing your cash flow and ensures you're never caught off guard by overdue payments. Now, let's talk about how this all ties into your business decisions. With these reports, Housecall Pro gives you the insights to make data-driven decisions. If you notice a technician is completing fewer jobs than expected, you can take action to improve their efficiency. If your revenue is dipping in a certain category, you can adjust your marketing or service offerings accordingly. It's all about giving you control over your business. So, how do you get started with all this? The great news is you can use Housecall Pro for free right now through the link in the description below. Plus, you'll get access to our exclusive bonuses when you sign up through our link. To wrap up, the reporting dashboard is an essential tool for any service business looking to track performance and optimize operations. By understanding the key metrics, you'll have the insights needed to grow your business more effectively. Remember, if you want to take advantage of this powerful software and get your extended free trial, make sure to click the link in the description below. That's it for this quick guide on how to use Housecall Pro's reporting dashboard. Start using it today to transform the way you manage your business and let the data work for you.